It features biodiversity, preservation of the natural features, the natural components of the estate. Apart from Miriam College, the fourth component is the Greenbelt. So if you'll notice, there's this green strip that traverses the east and west Alviera. So it's like the center that connects both sides. It's where the Salle Botanical Garden and the Alviera Country Club is. Salle Botanical Garden is, of course, in collaboration with the La Salle systems. It features biodiversity, preservation of the natural features, the natural components of the estate. And of course, we also have here.
Where else?
Of course, we
Ang
also
laki, diba?
have. Yes,
It's very huge.
it's very big. We're also going to have the 𝐏𝐴ngel University. So like Alan mentioned, what really provides a catalyst for growth in an estate is these developments, the educational, institutional, and commercial.
Yes.
And since we've been here for 10 years, that's one of the most frequent questions we have. When are these components going to be completed? And the good news is we have started, and in the next couple of months, the Ayala company has actually planned a series of activation events that will really bring people into the Alviera estate.